Hello food lovers, welcome to my channel. Today we're making this easy tomato sausage pasta. It's packed with simple ingredients, it's delicious, it's perfect for lunch or dinner or whenever you're craving an easy homemade meal that you will enjoy. So let's make it together. Before we begin cooking, let's run through the ingredients we'll be needing for this recipe. I'll be using some penne pasta. Feel free to use any kind of pasta you have at home. I'll also be using some canned diced tomatoes. This makes it a lot easier, but you can use some fresh tomatoes if that is what you have. I have here some sausages. I already went ahead to chop them into smaller pieces. Then I have some chopped onions, garlic, and ginger. This takes this recipe to a whole new level. I'll also be adding some bell peppers. This is just a way to use leftover vegetables in your fridge. I'm using red and yellow bell peppers. For seasoning, I'll be adding some Italian seasoning. I also have some dried oregano. Dried oregano is great for pasta recipes, so if you have that, please use it. And for heat, I'll be adding some cayenne pepper. Feel free to use fresh pepper if that's what you prefer. I'll also be seasoning with some chicken bouillon. I love chicken bouillon in my recipes, but you can use whatever you have. And of course, we'll be adding some cooking oil. I'll be using vegetable oil here. You can use any kind of cooking oil you have at home. And last but not least, I'll be using some salt to taste. Please remember that all the ingredients for this recipe will be listed in the description box, so you can check that out much later. Now to begin cooking, in a clean pot, I'm just going to add some vegetable oil, and once that is hot enough, I'm going in with my chopped onions, garlic and ginger, and I'm going to saute this for about 1 to 2 minutes. This adds a depth of flavor to your cooking. Just saute until the onions are soft and translucent. If you're still watching to this point, thank you so much. And if you haven't given the video a thumbs up, please do well to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I post a new video. And at this point, the onions has been frying for about 2 minutes. I went in with Italian seasoning. I also went in with my dried oregano, and using my spatula, I'll also stir until everything is perfectly combined. And this is just building flavor for our recipe. Just stir and cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now in goes my diced canned tomatoes, and if you notice, this comes with a lot of liquid unlike fresh tomatoes. So you're going to just pour this in, and using your spatula you are going to stir well to combine, and you're going to fry this until the liquid begins to evaporate, because we don't need that for this recipe. And this should take about 10 minutes on medium heat. 7 to 10 minutes on medium heat depending on the tomatoes you are using. Just stir well to combine and stir at intervals so that it doesn't get burnt. I also mentioned that you can use fresh tomatoes for this recipe if that's what you have available at home. But canned tomatoes also works really well. At this point, you will notice that the liquid in the tomatoes has started evaporating. You can see it's a bit thicker now, and this is the perfect time to add more of my Italian seasoning. I also added a little more oregano. I also added some cayenne pepper, chicken bouillon, and a little bit of salt. And I'm going to use my spatula. I'll just stir everything to combine so that the flavors come together really nicely. Just stir and let this cook on medium to low heat for about 1 to 2 minutes. So guys, you don't have to restrict yourself to the spices I use. You can always use your favorite spices, but if you have the ones I've used, Please use them and you will love how it would turn out. Now, once your sauce has simmered for about 2 minutes, go in with your sausages like you see on the screen, and using your spatula, you're going to stir this until it is well combined. Allow it simmer for about 2 minutes, then you are going to set it aside for later. And you can see the sauce is already looking so beautiful, so delicious. Just set it aside and we'll go ahead to cook our pasta. In a pot, I already have some boiling water. I added some salt and I'm just going to pour in my pasta. I'm going to let this cook until it is about 80% cooked. We don't want it overcooked. We don't want it undercooked. We just want it al dente. So at this point, the pasta is ready. I'm just going to scoop out some liquid I'll be using much later. And I'm going to take this off the heat and drain the excess liquid. So at this point, the pasta is still slightly firm when you bite into it. You don't want it mushy or overcooked because this helps the pasta hold its shape and absorb the sauce without becoming mushy. At this point, I just added my already drained pasta into the sauce, and using your spatula, you're just going to stir everything together until it is perfectly combined. So guys, at this point, the our meal is almost ready. You will agree with me that it is so easy to prepare. I just added the pasta, the liquid I scooped out from the pasta. This will help everything combine really nicely. Just stir fry this on medium to low heat until everything is well combined. So one quick tip I'd like to share is that you make your sauce before your pasta, or you make them at the same time so that your pasta doesn't stick together. I just added some salt, some bouillon cube, and my bell peppers. Please taste your pasta before adding them. I tasted mine and I decided to adjust the seasoning by adding some salt and a little bouillon cube. Once that is in, just stir everything together for about a minute or two. And guys, after that, your tomato sausage pasta is ready to be enjoyed by your family, your friends, your kids, and they are going to really love this. It's so easy to prepare. It comes together in less than 30 minutes and it uses very simple ingredients that you may already have at home. And there you have it, guys. Our delicious tomato sausage penne is ready to be served. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. I hope you learned a thing or two. If you did, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Share this video to your family and friends, and I'll talk to you in my next recipe. Bye.